So today I'm making ABTs, also known as atomic Buffalo Turds, using sweet peppers. Basically what I've done is taken these mini sweets. These are from Aldi. Cut the stems off, cut them lengthwise. And I'll stuff them with cream cheese. I'll get right back to you on this. Anyway, sorry, I had a little disturbance there. So like I said, I cut these lengthwise. I don't really have to clean out the seeds on these. I did do some jalapenos over here. Those, if you don't want them to be super hot, definitely clean out the membranes and the seeds on those. So this is pretty simple. I use a butter knife, the angled butter knife. So wipe some cream cheese inside. I'll do a couple of them. They're kind of time consuming to make, but they are very good. We eat these quite a bit. My wife likes the mini sweets. I like the jalapenos. Either way, it's awesome. I use a pretty simple recipe on these. Like I said, it's just going to be cream cheese and bacon. That's it. So then what you do here is, and I usually take a pound of bacon and I cut it into thirds. And then how I do it is I put it, kind of stuff it in, do a full wrap, and then it's done. And then you do that on however many of them you want to do. So I'm going to cook these on my Traeger at 250. I'm going to smoke them for about an hour. Then I'm going to crank the temp up about 350 to finish them off. That'll crisp up the bacon. I'll go ahead and put some barbecue rub on top of all of these too to give them a little bit more flavor. I'll show you on the grill when I put them on. Alright, so I got them on the grill using my Traeger Lone Star. I covered them in rub before I put them on there. I'm using Blues Hog Sweet and Savory. It's a really good rub. I like to use this on pork and chicken. So all these will cook for an hour at 250. Then I'll crank the temp up to 350 until they get a little crispy. The bacon gets a little crispy. I'm using char hickory, so it's a pellet, so it's a combination of charcoal and hickory. So seem to be pretty. I like them, they're okay. I do prefer my competition blend. Lumberjack competition blend is what I normally use. It's maple, hickory, and cherry combination. Very, very good pellet, so check them out. Alright, I'm out. Alright, it took me a little while to get back because I had a flame out. I'm using these char hickory pellets. Although I like the flavor, I believe the last time I bought them I had the same thing. I was having a flame out problems. I'm not sure if anybody else out there has those problems, but if you do, comment below, let me know. I caught it right off the bat, so had to clean it out. I fed a whole bunch of pellets in and the flame went out, so I had to get it all cleaned out, added some more pellets, and we'll, right now this is where we're at. As you can see, they're about done. We'll go a little bit longer until it's a little bit more crispy. So I cranked the temp up a little bit, get it done quicker. So any questions about this or anything you want me to cook, comment below. Smoky J's out.